In today's video, I'll show you how to send large files with Outlook by using cloud storage instead of attaching the file directly. This avoids Outlook size limits and makes sending big files faster and more reliable. Start by uploading your file to a cloud service such as OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Open your chosen service in a browser or app, upload the file, and wait for it to finish syncing. Make sure your internet connection is stable and avoid closing the tab during upload. For clarity, give the file a descriptive name or store it in an organized folder so recipients immediately know what they're downloading. Next, generate a shareable link. Right-click the uploaded file and select Share or Copy Link. Set the appropriate permissions. Anyone with the link can view, for general access, or restrict it to specific people if the file is sensitive. Some services let you set expiration dates or passwords for extra security. Once you've chosen the right settings, copy the shareable link. Now compose your Outlook email. Create a new message, add your subject, and include a brief explanation about the file. Paste the link directly into the message body, or format it neatly by turning text such as "Download the file here" into a hyperlink. Double-check that the link is correct and that your sharing settings allow the recipient to access the file. When everything looks good, click Send. Leave the file in the same cloud location after sending. Moving or deleting it will break the link. If the recipient has trouble opening the file, revisit the cloud service's sharing settings and adjust permissions as needed. With this method, you can send large files through Outlook easily, securely, and without running into attachment limits.